So we're at that time of the year where our fireplaces are going and our trees are up, and we're looking for the perfect gift for our friends and our family, maybe even coworkers. So for massage, sometimes it feels like the gift is just, given, they use it and it's over. But here's a really good idea for some massage businesses that want to make that gift that keeps on giving throughout the year. So what if you offered a massage membership, and it's the gift that keeps on giving? So every month the client gets a massage, and it's a package that you offer only at this time of year, that someone can come in and get them 12 massages. It's the monthly massage club or the monthly massage package that you're offering, and it is maybe at a discounted rate, so it's a little bit more affordable. But this is the gift of wellness, and this is the gift that people can give, and it lasts every month. You remember that person every time you go get a massage, and you feel good after the massage. So that is just one of my marketing tools that I feel is really nice to be able to give a gift that isn't just once and done. I personally don't like things to sit around my house anymore, so I don't like gifts that are given to me that I can just sit around and they collect dust. I like something that I can use, and I always love getting a massage, but I get it and it's done and over with. And there's a lot of times that I will rebook, and there's sometimes that I won't. But if you're looking to get in some clients that are reoccurring, and to sell some gift cards, and to offer something that someone can give that lasts the whole year, a massage membership or a massage package that's 12 months, that would be 12 gift certificates or 12 sessions that can be used throughout a period of time. Now, if the person decides, you would have to play with it a little bit. If the person that got the gift decides, well, I'd like to use 2 massages this month, that's reasonable. Then the last massage or the last month they may not get a massage, but then once they're there, not even just one time, but 12 times throughout the year, they become a regular client for you. They become that repetitive client, that life client for you, that will continue to come back. And not only will they continue to come back, but then you have them referring people to you. They haven't just been to you once and say, oh, that felt great. Sure, they may or may not schedule again. But when they have a gift package or a membership for the year that is given to them as a gift this time of year, that's a great way for them to continue to come back to you, see your facility, see your spa, see the amenities that you have to offer, and then they're wanting to come back for even more. They want to see what else that you have. You can give it as a lump sum just for 12 sessions. You can give it as a dollar amount that they can use for sessions or for different services that you have to offer there, different amenities. So there's a couple different ways to play with a package or a membership, but it can be done in the sense too that the buyer doesn't have to pay all up front. The buyer, it can come right out of their account each month as well. So they would have to pay maybe for the first 2 months ahead, and then it would continue to come out of their account once a month. So you can have this program go a few different ways, or this membership go a few different ways for something that is great for the holidays. And it is a gift that keeps on giving throughout the year. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that it helped. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This will give you more opportunities to find different ways and different ideas to grow your business. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and tell all your friends.